In the Red, Demystifying an English Idiom. Hello, English learners. Today, we're diving into an interesting English idiom that you might have come across, in the red. Ever wondered what it means? Well, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly when and how to use it. Colors in English, just like in many other languages, often carry symbolic meanings. For instance, green might signify envy or go ahead, and blue could suggest sadness. Similarly, red can have multiple interpretations too, but when it comes to the phrase, in the red, it has a very specific context. Historically, accountants used to record losses in red ink and profits in black ink in ledgers. So, when a business or person's financial records are in the red, it means they're operating at a loss or owe money. It's the opposite of being in the black, which means to be profitable or financially sound. Example, the company has been in the red for the past 3 months. We need to find ways to cut costs. Although its roots are in finance, the phrase has been absorbed into daily English and can be used in casual contexts too. For example, if someone has overexerted themselves and they're feeling exhausted, they might say, "I've really pushed myself today. I feel like I'm in the red." It's fascinating how cultures around the world use colors in their idioms. In some languages, there might be similar phrases that use different colors to indicate a negative situation or a warning sign. This universal use of colors in language showcases the beautiful tapestry of human expression across cultures. So there you have it, the meaning and origins of the idiom, in the red. Remember, English, like every language, is peppered with colorful idioms that often have historical or cultural roots. So, the next time you come across a curious phrase, dig a little deeper. There might be a fascinating story behind it. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.